Hey guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto. Hope you're all keeping well. And I just want to talk to you briefly to give you a market update, but also just to talk to you about crypto in general and everything that's going on in the world and where we all are, and to keep everybody on track that is actually invested in this marketplace, because you are not doing anything wrong. You're doing everything right by being here early. Just want to make sure people are reminded of that fact. So currently the market is at about 1.73 trillion, which is down like 1.15% in the last 24 hours, okay? Bitcoin at the moment is at $38,800, okay? Ethereum is at $2,573. We haven't really got much movement in the market. You know, Ethereum's down about 1.1%. Bitcoin's up about 0.03%, something like that. XRP's at 72 cents. Terra Luna is at like $80. Cardano's at 80 cents. Solana is at $83. Avax is at $73. News-wise, the sentiment is brilliant, okay? There are so many positive news stories that are out there to do with the crypto market. We're seeing company after company throwing money into new projects, into the metaverse, and so much more. We're seeing senators that are pro-crypto. We're seeing donations being given to the Ukrainian people. There's so many positive things that are out there, okay? The one negative that I would say is President Joe Biden is going to be obviously releasing some information about crypto. That might have an effect on the market. And the other thing to note as well is, yes, the market is in a little bit of a downturn and it could come lower. So what I'm looking at the moment is the price of Bitcoin being at about $34,600. Now, if it comes any lower than that, then I expect this to come down. And I mean, we might even see a $25,000 Bitcoin price. Now, what can we do about that? Because it's no guarantee. Okay, it could come to about 34,600. It might not even come down that low and start bouncing. But ultimately, we're in like an ascending triangle at the moment. So I do expect crypto to be bullish. I do expect it to break out. But it's about when. When is that going to happen? And what can we do now to protect ourselves and to also dollar cost average our way in? So there's different ways that you can look at this, okay? You can look at this as an opportunity if you have liquidity on the sideline to start adding more funds. So if you're adding more funds and dollar cost averaging your way in to buy different crypto projects that you believe are worth investing into, that is one way that you can approach this. We are in uncertain times, okay? And as a result of that, because of everything that's going on, it is going to affect markets. But long term, I am so bullish and positive about this marketplace. It continues to grow. The infrastructure continues to be built. The adoption continues to grow. I've got no doubts in my mind that the crypto market is not going to go from strength to strength. But in the short term, or even the medium term, we may have to sit back and wait. And patience is a massive part of this, guys, okay? So if it means that we've got to kick back and wait for a couple of months before anything happens, it is what it is. But what we've got to remember is we've still got some of the smartest minds in the investment world and in the crypto space that are talking about the fact that this year we could be seeing a Bitcoin price of something between $100,000 and $120,000. Now, obviously, there are no guarantees, okay? We don't know what's going to happen with the war. We don't know what's around the corner. But what we do know is this space is going to continue to grow. So planting seeds in this area is going to continue to flourish your forest. It's that simple, okay? Now, what I want to come on to is something that I'm very passionate about, and I want to make sure that you guys are switched on and tuned into this, okay? Let's just take the pound and the dollar and all these other fiat currencies, right? They're being devalued all the time. All right, they are becoming worthless, and I don't see any longevity in any fiat currency that has ever been created. They all go pop. They all disappear. This has been proven throughout history, time and time again. Whereas there are assets out there that have been proven to withstand the test of time consistently, and the way that they are built by nature means that they have been able to stay successful. So think about gold, okay? It's a scarce asset. There's only so much gold on the planet. Now, when we think about gold, the closest thing that you can have to gold from a digital sense is Bitcoin. So that's why Bitcoin is scarce. There's only so many Bitcoin that will ever be around for people. And that is part of the reason why it's seen such a massive rise in popularity. And the more these fiat currencies continue to be devalued, and the more inflation goes up, and the more war and pandemics have an effect on the economy, the more Bitcoin is going to become attractive to people. So if you're in the crypto space and you are an investor and you are and ahhing about whether you've done the right thing, remember why you got into this and remember what this space is all about. Okay? We will be the winners long term. There might be people laughing at you right now thinking that you're stupid for getting into crypto, but long term you will have the last laugh. I look at fiat currencies right now like paper, literally. Okay? A4 piece of paper. That is the Russian ruble right now. The US dollar is photo paper. Bitcoin is gold. And that's the difference. Anyway, guys, it was only a brief update. Just wanted to put this video out there. Make sure people's minds are on the game. There is opportunity in this marketplace. Remember, we're long-term investors. We are not trying to jump in and out of the market and be traders. Buy quality, sit back, relax, watch it grow in value. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to catching up with you in the next one. Take care.